A lot of students are asking me how can we and where can we write the assignments. Now, to find a place to write the assignment that you have been given, you can scroll here the stream, or you can go direct to the classwork. So I go direct to the classwork. For example, here I've organized in terms of topics. So I used to give the assignments in relation to topics. So you can go direct to the assignment that you want to answer. For example, you want to answer this assignment concerning introduction to language. So you can click here, introduction to language, and that assignment. Now, this if you are using a mobile phone, a smartphone. Now, if you want to get a space to write, just click here your work. Then click here add attachment. You have to click here or a plus sign or here add attachment. Click here. Once you click, you'll get this option. So where can we get to write? Where can we get a space to write? Click here new docs. New docs. Here you click. Wait for a few seconds. It will load, and you will get a space where you can write your work. You see the document, the space has been opened. Click again the blank space. You'll find, you see, now you can write your answers here. Once you are done, click OK, then go back, click back, then click turn in. Turn in means that you want to send back the work to be marked. Now, if you want to return the work or the assignment to the teacher, just click turn in.